Creating an awesome looking Twitter bio is real simple. Let me show you how with these 5 tips, and that's coming up right now. So what are my 5 tips for creating a fantastic looking Twitter bio? So tip number 1, I want you to focus on. If you're in business in any way, shape or form, I want you to take advantage of these 2 areas right at the top, your profile image and your banner image. That's right. So when someone lands on your Twitter profile, they're going to decide very quickly whether they like what they see and scroll and then maybe follow you, or they're going to click off and the opportunity will be lost. So nice smiley profile image of yourself. The bigger the better. If you are a business or a brand, you might want to put your logo there, but then take advantage of this banner or cover image area. So few people and businesses and brands actually do this well, and it's a very, it's a great visual real estate, spot right at the top of your profile. So, get it customized that with a benefit statement or explaining who you are and what you do and how you help. Hopefully when people land on my Twitter profile, they're left in no doubt, what I do, making social media for business owners easy. I see a mistake in so many business owners and brands in not doing this as well as they could be. Now, if you're just an individual on Twitter, scrolling through on a daily basis, less need for these as well. My tips and my information in this video is all about, from a business perspective. So that's tip number 1. So tip number 2 then all centers around your profile name and your username. I've just highlighted both of mine here now in blue with my mouse. So profile name is the darker one in bold lettering, Mark Warnken. Now, more than one person can have the same profile name, hundreds, thousands, even tens of thousands. But it's the username that is absolutely unique to you. So you're wanting to try and get them as close and matching as possible. In my instance, I was able to get both of them, but only one person can have that unique username, and you get 15 character spaces only. So a couple of examples over here on the right-hand side, the Twitter followers, Twitter account of World of Statistics, they've gone with stats_feed. It sort of, I suppose, aligns with what they're doing. They got the statistics and stats, but possibly would have been better if they could have got something closer matching. Harvard University, and then just Harvard, and then Celeste Ganderson, and Celeste has got some numbers here. So try and avoid the numbers if possible, but you might have to get creative because, as I say, only one person in the world can actually get that unique username, and you only get 15 character spaces. Which moves me on to my 3rd tip for creating a fantastic Twitter bio, and that's this particular area that I'm highlighting now. This is where you get 160 character spaces to tell your story, who you are, what you do, and how you help. So some of the things you might want to focus on are including your job title, if it's noteworthy. Try and add some keywords for your industry. I've added YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, that type of thing. They help if people are trying to search for you. Maybe you want to add what you're best known for. If you're in the media, sports star, influencer, or someone on social media these days, or have a presence somewhere, maybe add a benefit statement like I've done. I'm the guy that makes social media for business owners easy. LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter. That working with my banner and cover image hopefully is leaving people in no doubt who I am, what I do, how I help. Add some emojis, lighten up the mood here on Twitter, have some fun with it. I've also added a call to action as well. Check out my YouTube channel, and I've got the arrow pointing. I've been very strategic across all of my socials over the last few years of driving people to my YouTube channel, and I've had good growth there, coming up to 30,000 subscribers now to my YouTube channel. So take advantage there. Let people know that they can find you elsewhere online, because they might find you on Twitter, follow. They might go over to your Facebook page, your website, YouTube channel, and they're following and subscribing you there as well. So tip number 4 is take advantage and add a clickable link. That's right. You can see here, Twitter give us the option to add a link. Now, for a lot of you, it might be your website, direct people to your website. It could be a special event you have running, could be a special offer on a landing page. Again, I've taken, as I said before, directing people to my YouTube channel. So maybe you'll do the same. You might have people going to your Instagram profile, Facebook page, that type of thing. But make sure you take advantage of that, because all of this combines to bringing your profile, your Twitter profile, especially the bio area, to life. So the fifth tip I have, this is your whole bio area that I'm circling here with my mouse. This all works in unison together in making you stand out and hopefully stopping the scroll. What I want you to also do is pin a tweet to the top of your profile. So when someone lands here, they're going to decide within seconds, they'll hit the follow button or they won't. They might start to scroll down a little bit and they're going to start seeing some of your most recent posts or recent tweets. And you're wanting to have something, again, that's giving you a 2 bites of the cherry of stopping the scroll. I'm forwarding people or letting people know to subscribe to my YouTube channel, or don't forget to check out the videos on my YouTube channel. And then they might do that and then scroll down and start actually watching some of my YouTube videos that I've posted here on Twitter. So take advantage of that particular tip as well. Pin your best or most prominent or most relevant tweet to the top of your profile. Now, yes, of course, you can change that. You just need to go in here and click, and you would have unpin from profile, because this might be seasonal. As you move through the year, you might wanting to sort of highlight a particular post. So there we go, 5 tips to creating a fantastic Twitter bio. Go to the comment section below if you're watching this on my YouTube channel. Let me know your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you're watching it on any of my other socials, you know the drill. Give me a thumbs up and a like. Don't forget to follow me here on Twitter as well.